Hey, what's up guys, this is Satej. The Realme X series is already on its way to India and should be here in second half of July. That said, there have been rumors of the Realme X arriving in India on July 17th. According to a new report, Realme X will arrive with a case dedicated to Marvel's movie Spider-Man Far From Home. It's currently unclear though if this Spider-Man themed case will be sold separately or will come bundled with the smartphone. Also, there are reports suggesting that Realme phone will feature a quad camera setup with 64 megapixel primary camera sensor and may also come equipped with 5G. So guys, without waiting anymore, let's get straight to it. Starting with the design aspect, it will have a glass back with glossy gradient design, and also with that it will have a quad camera setup on the back. Speaking about the front side of the phone, it will have a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with pop-up selfie mechanism housing the front-facing camera. Also, it will come with the latest generation in-display fingerprint sensor for faster unlock. It will be powered by a Snapdragon 855 processor with Adreno 640 GPU for smoother gaming experience. On the OS side of things, it will come with Android 9 Pie with Color OS 6 on top. Now let's talk about the cameras, which will be its USP. On the rear side, it will feature quad camera setup with primary sensor being equipped with Samsung's ISOCELL Bright GW1 sensor. Compared to the Samsung GM1 or the Sony IMX586, both of which are half-inch 48 megapixel sensor, this 64 megapixel sensor is larger and should therefore capture more light. While Samsung and Xiaomi are also reportedly working on smartphones equipped with 64 megapixel Samsung GW1 sensor, we have witnessed the first camera sample of the sensor courtesy of Madhav Sheth. The watermark on the camera sample does not reveal the name of the smartphone, but we think this will most probably be Realme X Pro. Speaking about the rest of the cameras, it will come with an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 13 megapixel telephoto lens with an additional fourth lens being periscope zoom lens. About its selfie camera, you will get 16 megapixel selfie camera with pop-up mechanism. Speaking about the battery, it will be a 4000 mAh battery with VOOC 3.0 fast charging support. Along with that, it will come with USB Type-C and 3.5mm headphone jack. It will come in two storage variants, 6 plus 128GB and 8 plus 256GB. About the pricing, according to the past leaks, it will be priced close to 24,000 Indian rupees and it will launch next month after the launch of Redmi K20 Pro. After that, you will get a perfect idea of which one to buy. Hope you enjoyed the video, stay subscribed, and if you want then you can like the video. See you in the next one. Peace out.